We are back at Table 13 at the Davenport Grand Hotel in Spokane, a restaurant where you can be social and share your plates.
We each got a salad, and then we shared the other pieces, and then we even shared a piece of chocolate raspberry cake.
Head chef Ian Wingate has created a small plate menu that celebrates local farmers and their produce.
Just have fun with it. Don't take it serious. Let the ingredients shine. Let the produce do its job.
Right.
I mean, the farmers do such a great job at growing it, and we don't want to do much to it. We just want to enjoy it the way it is.
Time to head to the Table 13 kitchen to work with some freshly delivered greens.
I'm excited to be here, and you have a lot of beautiful fresh greens that we're going to be doing some
Yeah,
stuff.
absolutely. Yeah, I actually got these just from our local farmer this morning. And so we really want to showcase what our region has to offer. And we have great local farmers, so we're really showcasing the greens here.
Yeah, some of the stuff I don't recognize.
So what we have here is some baby arugula, we have some baby mizuna,
Okay.
some nasturtium leaves, we have some red and green oak leaf, red and green butter lettuce,
Okay.
some pink scarlet turnips.
Turnips. What is this? And can I touch
Rattlesnake. No, it's octopus.
it? Can I pick one up?
Absolutely.
That
So what we
feels
did with
really
this,
weird.
we just kind of poached it in a corpillon with some herbs and oranges, lemons, limes.
It smells delicious. Oh. Okay.
We prep our octopus for the grill with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then we start to make a vinaigrette for our greens.
So I'm going to have you squeeze a half a lime in there. Now
Okay.
a little bit of lemon juice.
Okay.
Perfect. You've done this before. I see that.
We finish it off by adding some honey, lemongrass, spices, green onions, and olive oil. Once we're done with our vinaigrette, it's time to put our octopus on the grill.
And then what we want to do is just rub a little oil on this lemon. We're just going to char that lemon real good.
So what kind of food do you really love to cook? Tell me about it.
Tacos.
Nice.
I love preparing dishes that have a long process to them.
Do you?
So I really like braising and going through the process of cooking and
Yeah.
stuff. The way we were taught to cook by our grandmothers.
While our octopus cooks on the grill, we start to assemble our salad. Then it's time for our homemade vinaigrette.
I'm gonna toss these, and I'll let you plate yours. We're gonna put the greens
No,
down.
no, no. You go first and I will
Okay.
follow.
Okay.
Ian starts off by putting down the greens, then our octopus, radishes, pickled fennel, grapefruit, and oranges.
I think yours is looking better than mine.
No, I don't think so.
So then we have a little bit of extra virgin olive oil aioli for our octopus to put in there, and then we have some parsley oil.
Do you ever make faces when you do this?
I stick my tongue
I
out
find
actually.
myself making faces.
We add our grilled lemon for the finishing touch.
Voila!
And there's
Look
our
at that. That is
grilled
beautiful.
Northwest octopus with our local greens.
Fresh greens. Gorgeous. Okay, so we get to try.
Absolutely. So you get the smokiness of the octopus, the citrus.
The greens, you kind of have a little bit of a bitter taste, but with the vinaigrette,
Yep.
sort of sweet. This is lovely. Thank you so much, Chef
Thank
Ian.
you. Thank you.
I'm gonna mess up my plate here and eat some more.
To get the recipe for Table 13's fresh green salad with octopus, head over to wagrown.com.